I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 41 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is glass, and I'm going to use this glass vase right here. And we also have typewriter text, and so I'm going to use it, and this already has a typewriter, so I thought that would go. Something triangular in shape, and I'm thinking a little bit outside of the box, and I'm going with this grass that's got the little triangle ends. Something found in the desert, and I've got this cactus, and library ephemera such as a lending card, catalog card, or checkout receipt. I've got this digital of a card, library card. And our bonus is lined paper, so I'm going to use this striped paper in the background. Well, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP41 to see what everyone else has made. We are really chugging along on these prompts for this year, and it's going by fast. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I love this thing. I've been holding on to this image for a while. He makes me laugh, and I thought it went well with "The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter" by Mark Twain. So that's my typewriter text. This is a bonus, but he is hilarious. And I've got something rectangular in shape. And that's my little blades of grass. I've got my glass, which is that jar holding the flowers. Something found in the desert, I've got my cactus. Library ephemera such as a lending card, and I've got that right here. Typewriter text, as I said, and lined paper is the strike paper. And I just made a little pocket to hold my prompt. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP41. I'll have them both listed in my description box down below. And until next time, bye y'all.